So I've noticed that I've never told y'all what we use for our math curriculum. So I'm gonna tell you today. So we use Saxon Math. I love Saxon Math. I think Saxon Math is the best math curriculum out there. I said it, I mean it, I'ma stick beside it.
Guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday.
Yeah, do y'all know okay, the meme or TikTok something said I'm gonna stick beside it. But like I was saying, Saxon Math has worked best for our family. I started using it for my oldest in the 2nd grade, and it just stuck. I like how thorough it is with the lessons, and it's easy to use. It's easy to understand. So I break it down into sections. I don't do the whole lesson in a day. So how it goes is it starts with the fact sheet. Well, no, hold on. It starts with your lesson and how you're going to explain the lesson to your children. So you do an activity with your child, and then it goes onto the fact sheet. It could be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We haven't got to the division part yet. And so it's 25 problems, and you're supposed to time your children. I don't time my kids because why are we timing? Where are we rushing to? I need you to know it and learn it thoroughly. So after the fact sheet, you have the worksheet. You have a side A and a side B. And this will be about 6 problems, or if you're an older child, it's about 10 problems. And so I do side A with them, and then I help them with anything they need help with. And then on side B, they have to do it on their own. But sometimes on side B, they need help. So I help them. Then once you do that, you do 5 lessons. On that 5th lesson, you have a written assessment, and that's like the test. And do I test them? No, we're homeschooling. So I need them to understand everything completely. So what I do is I do say, hey, you try and do it as much as you can on your own. If you need help, let me know. And if they do need help on something, that's my alert. My light bulb goes off. Okay, next week, we need to work on this a little more. But also Saxon Math always comes back to it. It never stops with what you've learned. So it could be further into lesson 25, and you'll go back to something that you did in lesson 1. And so it's just a reminder. So it's very repetitive, and I enjoy something repetitive like that. I also said they don't do the work in a day. Sometimes I'll have them do the fact sheet and then side A. The next day, you'll just do side B. And so I work it like that. And sometimes in the book, there is a written assessment, then there's a lesson, A and B, and then there's a fact sheet. That's a lot to do in a day for a child. So I break it down in 2 days. Also, why I break it down like that is because, once again, there is no set time of when I need to finish this book. There is no set time. We're on our own journey. As long as I know that they are understanding it, we got it. So I'm not in a hurry to move on to the next grade. I want them to thoroughly and fully understand. Then, like I was saying about if they don't understand something else, I will find some free worksheets, or I will create my own, or that Monday I will create a game for us to play. And on Mondays are our Money Mondays. So we do not do Saxon Math on Mondays. I try and create something fun to do. My 2nd grader, my youngest, is learning how to multiply. And that's kind of a big transition when you're learning addition and subtracting. You're getting good at the subtracting, right? You already know how to add, and then you starting to subtract. And then I hit you with okay, we're gonna start multiplying. And it confuses her. So we have these bears, and she has to use the bears to figure out how many groups of bears. If you have 3 groups and 8 rows, how many is that altogether? See, I'm confusing myself. But so she doesn't like it, and she didn't like the game we played on Monday, but she's gonna get the hang of it. And of course, my oldest knows how to multiply, so I hold up a card. She writes her answer down. She knows it immediately. She is going into division, so that's kind of going to give her a little bit of a headache as well. But she has square root down. So I just like to take my time with math. I really like to take my time with everything, but with math, I know that I struggle, and you hear that a lot, right? Everybody who kind of went to public school was kind of like, I didn't like math. Well, guess what? I love it now. I am really good at math. And so I want my children to be able to say, okay, if somebody gives you $5 and you have change back, to do it automatically. So nobody will cheat you. You won't have to use a calculator. I despise a calculator, but you won't have to use a calculator, and you'll know how to do it. You'll know how to do it with paper and a pencil. So Saxon Math, Money Monday, different worksheets. One of the websites that I do go to for a lot of my worksheets for math and non-math related, I go to Teachers Pay Teachers. You can go there and type in math worksheets, plug in what grade you want. If it's 5th, 6th, they have all types of stuff. Hit that you want to do math, and then you can hit free. And it won't be a lot of pages, but you'll find one page that you need to supplement what your child is learning in math. So I enjoy Teachers Pay Teachers. It's a good resource. And like I said in the beginning, I enjoy Saxon Math so much. I want to use it until they're in high school. I think it is that good. So what math curriculum do you use in your homeschool? What made you choose that? How has it been going? You know, all those questions that I have for you. Let me know down in the comments below. If you use Saxon Math and you share my sentiments, let me know what grade level you're using, and does it get even better than this? So as always, I pray y'all have a blessed day. I pray you have a blessed week. I pray you have a blessed weekend, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.